Come and gala with us to Intramuros. Let's go! LRT na kami, guys. Waiting for the train. Hindi siya makasalita, actually. So, guys, ano may here sa mga museum?
Yes.
Mag-walk kami pa doon sa Intramuros. Mga ami.
Manga. I want manga.
Okay. Second time na din ako here ni Jules. Manga break! Touchdown, Intramuros. Intramuros over. Intramuros. Then, nag-camouflage ka sa building. So, here's the map, guys. Saan tayo ngayon? Nasaan tayo? Asa man ni Day? Guys, natakdan ako sa ubo. But yes, nihapit na yung Starbucks right now. Okay, nga no. Sakit ang muntiyan both ni Josie. So, naghanap ng CR. And then, dili pa ako ganan maggasto-gasto, guys. Uy, pero we don't have a choice but to buy something in here. Nag-star is box kami. Kaya nakatila ko silang matcha first. Tapos, karon lami man nilang matcha di ay here. So, I want to try it again. And para masakit na pa akong tiyan. I cannot see anything. Kaya mawala sa pagday. Okay, lumipat kami sa labas, guys, kasi sobrang lamig dun sa loob. And we cannot, di namin kaya yung lamig. And tingnan nyo, orag, batang kalye kita dahil. Tingnan niya,
Hello guys. Don't talk to Mike and you'll win 100 pesos.
NCC
Ano
Gallery.
pangalan mo? Taga saan ka? Ah?
Guys, we're gonna walk papunta Esplanade, tapos punta kaming Binondo. Nangita sila ano guys, kung asa daw gibaril si Inla, General Luna. So guys, we're just strolling around Intramuros and padulong namin sa River Esplanade. Vlog take over.
Aba guys, mga mi katuod, di mi taga dire. Ay, ipawas day. Oh, dara, mga tagiya.
Wow.
Awa guys, mo ni mo kauban. Madam Kersley, iyang friend, mga friend nako man si Mr. Fabry. Morning partner ni Madam Kersley. Paningot na mi guys, tawa guys. Init gid kayo. Lance, lingi daw Lance. Angan kay background, angan kay simbahan.
It was built in dili man nata na built in perpetual memory.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Jandale here. Jandale. You know, I've been here in Intramuros to get some architectural old styles to get a new update on my new game, Rogue Garden 2. So you have to check it out. It's gonna be sick.
Anong IG mo? Anong IG mo? Moto guys, moto mo kauban. Minecraft gamer. Picture meron. Na guys, ano mga kauban guys, tanawa. Sir, unsa imong maingon diri sa kuan sir?
Hindi kami nakikipag-usap ng Bisaya. Alam na Tagalog.
Oy, pre, anong masasabi mo sa Intramuros?
Ang Intramuros, sino ka ba? Ba't mo
Dapat
ano?
English ah.
English? Ano masasabi ko sa Intramuros?
English.
In English, what can I say about Intramuros? It's like I'm living in a medieval age. It's so very wonderful. It's very amusing. Not like in Davao City. It's like we see barbecues, stalls, and everywhere we go, it's like yes, it's very astonishing. It's very wonderful. I'm speechless right now.
Sir, yung
Table 5 po, table 5. Table 5? Wait, okay. Okay. Okay.
guys, mao tong kauban nako nga Davao Panabo City to siya, John RJ Dolores. Kani isa mao gining pinakagwapo gud. Wa gud. Sir,
Ano po to?
interview po sir, interview.
Anong interview to?
Anong masasabi mo dito sa Intramuros?
Yung masasabi ko lang sa Intramuros is sobrang ganda niya talaga. Yung vintage aesthetic, kuwang-kuwa talaga. Parang na-preserve nila yung 1990s. Although in the modern age tayo, pero kung makikita mo, tignan mo yun. Sobrang ganda pre. Preserve na preserve yung heritage ng mga Pilipino. Ako, hindi ako Pilipino eh. Isa akong foreigner dito eh. Pero naglaki ako dito. Yung age 14 to 20.
Kanigit siyang pinakagwapo gyud. Ara oh. Sige, maingon mo dire sir.
Unsa man ni?
So far the place has been good. This is my first time here, and I can say it is a pretty good place. They have tried to maintain the classic or the traditional city vibe, bro, and I like it.
Thank you.
Guys, we're here na sa Fort Santiago. Tapos we're waiting na lang. Mag-entrance, may bayad 75 pesos. So, let's go and travel, explore Fort Santiago with us.
Balik kang mga.
Okay, let's go, guys. Fort Santiago, here we go. Gutom na mi, pero still, we need to travel this one. Guys, we're going into this. Scary lagi ang tingog, guys. Uy, nga nang loob, guys. Wala.
Fort Santiago, classic bliss, for candles and sacrifice.
Kainit man. Tanay.
The chambers we see today are just part
Oh,
of a
magsabak.
bigger complex whose story once made Fort Santiago an infamous
Pita
place.
na kayo nang yung bata kong malibog.
The dungeons are Santiago's arms and power.
Sa bayrata ninyo bayad?
So, guys,
Siyam ta tulo 100 daw.
we're going to River Esplanade with the tok-tok. E-bike actually. Touchdown, River Esplanade. Again, second time. Pero with kasama. Yes. We're not alone, guys.